We try to do it in English. Okay, what number do you think it is, Mandy?
1.
Number, what, is it 1? No, it's
Higher.
higher. So it's higher than number 1. Okay, now Sophie. Amber. Now, and what number is that, Amber?
10.
Is it number 10? It's
lower.
It's lower than number 10. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, you can do number 1 as well. Good math. That's a good idea. Then we're more with it. Okay, now Sophie, you can choose somebody else. The next person. Dan. What number do you think it is?
7.
No, it's okay, but then the person that guesses the number will tell her it's lower than.
Lower.
Okay, it's lower. It's lower than number 7. Okay. What number is that? No, it's Sophie, it's
Lower.
it's lower. So that means that it's on this side if it's lower, because the higher numbers are the other way, okay? What number is that? Is it number 3? Sophie? Is it number 3? Yes. What is it?
Higher.
Good girl, it's higher than number 3. Oh, goodness me. Teagle. And what number is that, Teagle? Number?
4.
Number 4.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.